In a new video, Rahul Gandhi has again took on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP. He alleged that the BJP government is attacking the informal sector and make a slave of people who are working in this sector. Rahul said that note ban, GST, COVID-19 lockdown was aimed to destroy informal sector. Gandhi said that the informal sector has a lot of money which the government cannot touch. They want to break this sector and extort this money from them.
Former Congress President Rahul Gandhi has launched a scathing attack on the BJP-led central government, alleging that it has destroyed the economy by repeatedly assaulting the informal structure. There is an attempt to turn you into a slave, he said in a video on the present state of economy. In 2008, Gandhi said the world was hit by an economic storm, affecting the entire world, including the United States, Japan, Europe, China. In the US and Europe, bank collapse. Corporations and companies shut down their businesses, but India remained unaffected, he added. The video is a part of Gandhi's fresh series on economy. He had earlier released a 5-part series on Chinese incursions in Ladakh. You know, the big companies which constitute the formal sector. The informal sector comprises farmers, laborers and MSMEs. Till the time India's informal sector is strong, no economic storm can touch India, he said. But in the last 6 years, the BJP government has been attacking the informal sector. I am giving you the 3 massive examples right now. Demonetization, wrong goods and service tax, GST, and the lockdown enforced to contain the coronavirus pandemic, Gandhi alleged. Don't think the lockdown was unplanned. Don't think it was done at the last minute. The aim of these 3 decisions was to destroy our informal sector, he alleged. From March 25th, India witnessed several phases of a nationwide lockdown to check the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. Gandhi had written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and criticized the move, saying it will have disastrous consequences on the economy. Gandhi said the effect of this attack on informal sector will be seen soon. The result will be that India won't be able to produce jobs because the informal sector produces 90% of the jobs. Once the informal sector is destroyed, India won't be able to produce jobs, he claimed. The Congress has been attacking the government over unemployment, saying it has assumed fearsome proportions. It also claimed that record of 45 years of unemployment has been broken, as around 135 million people are likely to lose their job due to COVID-19 pandemic. Bureau Report.